So if you're having problems with your volume on your SkyQ remote, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here to fix this issue. So first things first is you want to check the basics first. So make sure your TV is muted and the TV's own volume is turned up. Now SkyQ volume controls your TV, not the Skybox speaker, so the TV needs to be active as well. Now, also, you may want to restart the SkyQ box and TV as well. So switch both devices off and back on. A quick reboot often reloads the remote's connection settings and fixes basic glitches. Now, next thing you want to do is you want to repair the remote, and with the SkyQ box, hold the 1 and 3 buttons together on the remote until you see the pairing message on screen. Now follow the prompts so the SkyQ box connects properly. Now, after our pairing here, you'll be asked to select your TV brand. Choose your brand and let SkyQ search for the right volume codes. Now, if the first code doesn't work, try the next until the volume button responds. Now, also, you may want to replace the batteries if the remote feels unresponsive. So, weak batteries can cause volume keys to respond slowly or not at all. So, swap in fresh batteries and test the buttons again. And finally, you want to go and just reset the remote if nothing works. Now press the 7 and 9 keys together or button together for a few seconds to reset the remote to default settings. Now pair it again afterward, then test the volume controls. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.